In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a student sign-up sheet using Google Docs. This step-by-step guide will help you set up a clear and organized document that you can easily share or print. Let's dive into the process. First, let's get started by opening Google Docs. Head over to your web browser and type in docs.google.com. Once you've reached the site, you'll need to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. After signing in, you'll see a dashboard with various options for creating documents. Click on the plus blank document to open a fresh new document where we'll start crafting our sign-up sheet. With your new document open, it's time to set it up. It's important to give your document a title to keep everything organized. Look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see Untitled Document. Click on this and type Student Sign-up Sheet as your title. This will not only help you remember what the document is for, but will also make it easier to locate later on. If you need to adjust your page's format, perhaps to change margins or page orientation, you can do so by going to File and then Page Setup. These adjustments are optional but can be useful depending on your specific needs. Now let's move on to creating the table, which is the core of our sign-up sheet. Head over to the Insert menu and select Table. You'll be prompted to choose the dimensions of your table. For a standard sign-up sheet, you might choose 4 columns and 15 rows, but the size can be adjusted based on how many people you expect to sign up. Common titles you'll want to include for your columns are No, Student Name, Email, Contact, and Signature. These categories will organize the information effectively. With your table in place, it's time to format it to improve clarity and make it look neat. Start by selecting the header row where your column titles are and bolding them to distinguish from the rest of the table content. You can do this by simply selecting the row and clicking the B button in your toolbar. To further enhance the visibility and alignment of the header text, you can center align it by navigating to Format, then Align and Indent, and choosing Center. Lastly, don't hesitate to adjust the widths of the columns by clicking and dragging the borders, ensuring all text fits well. Just above your table, there's space for some additional but important details. Consider adding a main title such as Class Registration Math 101 and include the date as well so it's clear when the sign-up sheet pertains to. Instructions like please print clearly when filling out this form can provide guidance and ensure that entries are legible. Finally, you'll need to decide how to distribute this sign-up sheet. If you're going to share it online for digital sign-ups, click on the Share button in the top right. You can change settings here so that either anyone with the link can edit for direct sign-ups, or anyone with the link can view if you're planning to print and distribute physical copies. To print, go to File, then Print, and select your printer to start printing copies. There you have it. By following these steps, you can create an efficient and professional-looking student sign-up sheet using Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your document.